to another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. Today we're going to do both of mine for the month of May. So the bag looks like this and it's super freaking cute. I am in love with it. It has a cute little rose gold zipper pull on it. Very nice. So let us see what all we got. Oh, even the zipper is rose gold. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Woo! I'm loving the Fillmore-esque writing on it. So Wild Beauty is the theme. This month, delight in all the things that make you feel alive. A fresh mani, botanical skincare going barefoot in the grass, and let your imagination run wild. Good. This one actually has the info with each things. So first thing in here is a deluxe sample size of Balance Me AHA Glow Mask. This is a deluxe sample size. Full size would be $29. This creamy exfoliating face mask has all the makings of a real glow giver. Alpha hydroxy acids, AHAs, to help shed dead skin cells, kaolin clay to draw out excess oil and dirt, and linden to soothe. Tip: work this into your routine 2 or 3 times a week for the ultimate radiance. Will do. Ooh, this is full size. This is from Farrah, and this is the Dazzle Boss Lip Gloss in Downtown. That is really pretty, if you can see that. Yeah, but yeah, retails for $14. It's your pucker's time to shine thanks to this sparkly gloss in a translucent rose hue. You'll love how the formula makes your lips feel silky smooth instead of sticky. Tip: wear this solo or layered over any lipstick for a touch of shine. That is gorgeous. I am not over that. Then we have, from Way, this is the Melrose Place Body Cleanser, and this is a deluxe sample size. Surprise, surprise. Full size is $28. Whenever a Way product comes through, we know we're about to be hooked, and this rose-scented body wash is no exception. Is that what I'm smelling? No, I don't think that's what I'm smelling. Okay, weird. It's made with mild surfactants to gently remove dirt, plus nourishing jojoba oil and antioxidant-rich rosehip oil to leave your skin silky smooth. Tip: massage into wet skin using your hands or a loofah and then rinse well. God, I can't wait to use that. Never met a Way product I didn't like yet. Then, this is a deluxe sample size from Tres Luce Beauty, and this is the Ready to Bounce Cream Blush in Date Night. Full size is $16. You'll love everything about this glow-inducing blush. The super smooth cream-to-powder texture, the pretty peachy pink color, and the way it seamlessly blends into skin without streaking or caking. Tip: use your fingers or a blush brush to tap color onto your cheeks. Let's see it. I can get it to open. That would be fabulous if it would... Okay, well. I accidentally got my finger in there, so when I complain about how, hey, it looks swatched, when I go to review it, remind me, I'm the one who got my finger in there by accident. But this is the color, which seems dark, but I bet it blends out, like, really nice, so I can't even be mad at that. And then last one here is from Naked Cosmetics. This is full size, $10, and it is their Strawberry Lip Scrub. The only thing better than how soft and smooth this scrub gets your lips, the irresistible strawberry flavor that makes it a delight to use. This nourishing scrub is packed with moisturizing oils and vitamin E that keeps your lips hydrated and protected no matter how chilly temps get. Tip: swipe this on bare lips whenever, wherever, or apply before lipstick so it goes on extra smooth. I don't know why I'm, like, flipping this around like a fidget spinner, but I need to stop. Okay, so that's the first bag. And then the second one over here. Okay, same bag. Okay. Does this one also have product info? Ah, it doesn't. Boo! Boo! Fine. We'll just kind of wing it then. So, first thing, ooh, alright. We have another We Are Fluid nail polish in the color Desert Dawn, which is like almost black. It's so dark. It's like really, 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 really deep chocolate brown with just a hint of glitter in it. Like, I don't know if I can make the light catch it. There you go, there you go, you can see it, you can see it. It's really pretty. Don't know that I'd wear it this part of the year, but it's really pretty. Like, that'll be cool in, like, October. Which isn't that far away, just saying. So then we have another Awake by Tarte Peach Lip Therapy, which ironically, I have one up here right now that I've been keeping around for like a couple of years, so I'm glad to have another of it. God damn, that smells good. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it. And like the other one. Oh wait, actually, it's not the same thing. This is Lip Therapy Lip Mask. This is just a Lip Therapy Lip Mask that doesn't have any kind of, like, flavor on it. Also doesn't mention being from Tarte, even though they are otherwise identical. Is it, like, an updated packaging? Did Tarte buy them? Like, what's the deal? Yeah, that one doesn't even have scent. That's so weird. That's so weird. Okay, anyway. So, I'm glad to have a peach one, though. You know me and my peach. Ooh, this is a nice biggie. So this is from Hemp's, which, you know, always thrills me. And it's their Pomegranate Herbal Body Butter. Hydrate and Renewal. That's a good size, honestly. Let's smell it. Let's smell it. Gonna just peel it up a little and then fold it back down until I'm ready to use it. Ooh, it's light pink and cute. Oh, that smells good. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh. I'm really excited for that. Wow. That is actually incredible. I don't know that I would say that smells like pomegranate, but it smells really good, whatever it does smell like. And from the brand Tenais, there's the Divine Kahlo Kajal pencil. And I think it's just in black, probably. Kajal is usually black, I think. So, yeah, it's black. That's cool. That's like the most versatile eyeliner color for me. And then finally, from a brand called Bad Habit. It says you can't wash away those 2 a.m. texts, but you should still wash your face. I feel called out. I feel so called out. That is exactly me. God damn. Wake Things Up Matcha and Mint Morning Cleanser. Ooh, this might be what I'm smelling. Yep, that's what I'm smelling. Okay, I knew it was something like herby that I was like getting a whiff of. I was like, what is that? It wasn't the other thing. It was this. Okay. Oh my gosh. That's really exciting too. I've never heard of that brand before, but perfect packaging for me though. So, anyways, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. I got distracted by a push notification. Leave comments down below. Are you still with Ipsy? What did you get in your May bag, if you remember, since it wasn't that far back? Hey, I'm actually starting to catch up. What do you know? Let me know that, as well as anything down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.